People say these products are the best for cleaning your tile grout. We'll see about that. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of my Fab or Flop series. If you are new to my channel, thanks so much for clicking on this video. My name is Pam. I'm a professional organizer, and on my channel I like to share all my best tips, tricks, and strategies to help you save time, help you save money, and maybe create a little organization around the home while you're at it. So if you like organization videos, be sure to let me know by clicking that like button below. And while you're at it, maybe click the subscribe button too, and ring the bell so you know every time I'm uploading one of these videos. Okay, so let's get started. Like I said, this is another episode of my Fab or Flop series where I scour the internet looking for organizing hacks, cleaning hacks, time-saving hacks, and I put them to the test to see if they are truly as fabulous as they claim or a real flop. In today's video, we're talking tile grout. Be sure to stick around to the end because there is a very popular tile grout cleaning hack out there that can actually ruin your tile grout. So be sure to stick around to the end. Now, if I'm going to be honest, at the beginning of this year, I had planned to have a company come out and clean all my tile and carpeting in the entire house. And I really liked this company because they used all natural products, and that's really important for me, especially since I have a little Shih Tzu who tends to not sniff things, he tends to lick everything he comes into contact with. He licks our faces, he licks our hands, he licks our legs, he licks his toys, he licks his own face, he licks the couch, he even licks the air. And when he and his cousin get together, oh my gosh, the licking never stops. So because of our little licking Shih Tzu, I was ready to have the professionals come in. But as everyone knows, 2020 kind of took a turn come March, and I never got the cleaning crew in to get to our tile and carpet. So now it's up to me. So I really wasn't sure where I was going to go with it. I did want to stick with more natural because of our little dog licking everything, but I also wanted something that I was assured would clean the grout well and also maybe not break the budget. So like everyone else, where do you go to find your solutions? I went online in search of natural grout cleaning ideas. And the most popular ones seem to be a combination of mixing peroxide, baking soda, and a little laundry detergent. But a lot of people were saying that you needed to put a lot of elbow grease into this solution. So I wasn't sure if this was going to be a workable solution for me. So then what did I do? I went to Amazon, searched there, and I found this grout cleaner. And it claims to be acid-free, non-toxic, and odorless. So it would still be safe for our little Shih Tzu. And wouldn't you know, after this came in, I happened to be talking to my dear friend Christy, who happened to say, guess what? Dollar Tree has an awesome product. I've been using it on my tile grout. You ought to give it a try. So I purchased this from the Dollar Tree. And I happened to find a lot of videos online claiming that this is the end-all be-all for grout cleaning. So I thought to myself, now's a great time to do a Fab or Flop and see which one of these three solutions is truly the fabulous one. So this is what our grout is supposed to look like. And now check out the grout that's right by our dishwasher. I have no explanation other than there are adult males in this house that are very creative when they load the dishwasher, and sauces and water and juice and everything kind of land all over here. That's my story, and that's what I'm sticking with, okay? I'm just saying. Okay, so my daughter set up this lovely test area for us, and in the first box we have the yellow label with the yellow cleaner. In the middle we are going to test the homemade mixture. And then in the third square, we will test the more expensive tile grout cleaner that I purchased from Amazon. So let's get started. I want to start with the homemade mixture first because in some of the articles that I read online, it says that it needs a few minutes to sit on the tile grout. And basically what it said to do, and why I put it in this little container, was that you're just supposed to squeeze it right on the grout line and then let it sit there for a few minutes and soak in. Okay? So we're going to let that just sit there. Next, we're going to try the expensive Grout Cleaner from Amazon because it needs to wait 5 minutes after you spray it on. I'm going to just spray it. It says to spray, leave for 5 minutes, and then scrub and wipe up. Okay, so we'll leave that right there. Then finally, the one from the Dollar Tree says if you're cleaning grout, it has a little graph on the back of the bottle that says if you're cleaning grout, you mix it 5 parts water to 1 part of this solution. Okay, so we remixed it into here, and I'm going to spray it onto the tile grout there. Okay. So let's start with scrubbing the peroxide, baking soda, and dish soap solution. Now let's check out the Dollar Tree. Now it's been 5 minutes, so let's check out how the expensive brand did. Alright, so this is the Dollar Tree result. Excellent job, very clean. This is the homemade solution of peroxide, baking soda, and Dawn dish soap. Also, awesome job, very clean. And finally over here, this was the $12 or $13 bottle of Grout Cleaner from Amazon. Extremely clean. All of these did an excellent job. Which one do you think did the best job? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I just want to say, I think I rocked the color coordination today. Gloves, top, down to my booties. Okay, 3 grout lines down, only about 2,400 left to go. So let's talk results, okay? The homemade solution absolutely worked well. The only thing I would say that I had to do with this was scrub a little harder. So if you don't mind putting a little more elbow grease into it, this cleans the grout really well. Plus, it's relatively inexpensive to make. Now the Dollar Tree product. I've got to say I was really shocked at how well this did. And the fact that you mix it 1 part of this solution to 5 parts water, this bottle would go for the entire house easily, and it's only $1. Now it did say keep out of reach of children, and it's an eye irritant, so I would imagine these chemicals in here you'll have to be careful with and really rinse off the area, especially if you have young children around. So that would be a decision you'd have to make. It's only $1, but there's more chemicals in this solution. And then finally, my Amazon product ran me about $12 or $13 on Amazon. I have to say the least amount of effort scrubbing for this solution. And the fact that it is non-toxic, acid-free, and odorless is another big plus for this. The only worry I'd have is that I would need more than 1, maybe 2 or 3 bottles to do all the grout in my house. And at that price, it would become quite expensive. So basically, these 3 solutions all work really well. It all depends which one agrees with your budget and how much elbow grease you want to put into the job. I hope you found the information I shared in this video helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you find some organizing hack or time-saving hack or cleaning hack that you'd like me to put to the test, just leave the link to that hack in the comments below, and I'll see if I can give it a try. Now before I go, I want to share with you some information I found out online about a product being used for cleaning tile grout that is actually quite harmful to the grout. And that grout cleaning hack was using toilet cleaner. There really wasn't too much dispute about it working well cleaning it, but the problem is the chemicals in these toilet bowl cleaners is actually harmful to your grout. Grout is a porous substance, and toilet bowl cleaners often contain acids that actually erode or eat away at the tile grout. So before you go using this, because it's got the perfect spout to line up with your tile grout lines, avoid using this because over time it could really do some damage to your grout. Ooh, and here's one bonus tip for you as well. In my research, I came across many experts saying that once you get your tile grout clean, to use a sealant on it. You can find them online and at the hardware store. Just do your research on what would work best for your specific tile needs. So good luck cleaning your tile grout. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ911. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you like the information I shared in this video, be sure to check out my Fab or Flop playlist over here. And while you're at it, if you haven't already, subscribe.